Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index briefly climbed above 98 on Thursday before retreating toward 97.50 after the release of CPI data. Producer prices unexpectedly fell by 0.1% in August, following a downward revision of July's increase to 0.7% against expectations for a 0.3% rise. This surprise eased inflation concerns and reinforced market confidence that the Federal Reserve will press ahead with monetary easing. WTI crude futures fell more than 2% on Thursday to close at $62 a barrel, snapping a three-day rally. Demand concerns in the US and worries over global oversupply outweighed geopolitical risks in the Middle East and Ukraine. The International Energy Agency reported that OPEC Plus production growth was stronger than expected and confirmed the group's plan to raise output beginning in October. US crude inventories also surprised with a build of 3.9 million barrels last week. Gold struggled to hold support at the 3,660 level on Thursday, slipping to as low as 3,620 as the dollar extended its three-day rally ahead of the US CPI release. During the Asian session, gold pulled back toward 3,632, but later found modest support. Softer US producer price data strengthened expectations that the Federal Reserve will cut rates at its upcoming meeting, weighing on the dollar and lifting dollar-denominated commodities. Lower rates reduce the opportunity cost of holding gold, a non-yielding asset. After briefly rising above 148 early in the day, the dollar-yen pair reversed sharply, dropping toward 147 and last trading around 147.20. Renewed dollar selling drove the move lower. In Japan, business sentiment improved in the third quarter as exports rebounded, with companies accelerating shipments to the US ahead of new 15% tariffs. Politically, markets continue to digest Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba's resignation, which followed deepening party divisions and pressure after last year's election defeat. ECB President Christine Lagarde defended the decision to keep rates unchanged at the September meeting, as the euro-dollar pair held steady above 1.17 after 2 days of declines. With traders fully expecting a Fed rate cut next week, the euro could find fresh support as softer US producer price data weighs on the dollar. Politically, French President Emmanuel Macron named Sébastien Lecornu as Prime Minister, while President Trump reportedly urged the EU to impose tariffs of up to 100% on India and China to pressure Russia over the war in Ukraine.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.